Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking all about merch. Everything you need to know before you start your own merch store as a new content creator. Remember, on this channel I bring you tips and tricks to level up your content creation as a new content creator and to level up your finances as well. So like I said, today we're going to be talking about merch. So in case you don't know what that is, merch is simply short for merchandise. It's like cool stuff with like pictures on it made by YouTubers or brands or even your favorite sports team. And if you do it right, you could be that YouTuber with the coolest merch products. This video is sponsored by .store domains, the domains that top creators, artists, and celebrities use for their merch store address. Here is some advice for creators who are trying to launch their merch or product brand. If there's one thing we can all agree, it is that no matter what type of merch or product you want to sell as a creator, the domain name you use matters a lot. It's your brand online. And here's the cool part. You see the ending of these links, .store.com. These are what we call domain names. It's like a unique tag that sets the website apart and clearly states what the website is for. Top creators who understand the importance of having a well-crafted merch brand, and that merch is also about building a memorable brand that people can remember easily, people can visit and share with ease. So I'm going to tell you more on the domains later, but first here are a few important reasons why you should start your own merch store today. The importance of having a merch store is audience engagement. Now, merchandise creates a tangible connection between you and your audience. Whenever they buy your products, they're not just getting a product, they're becoming a part of your community. Now, this boosts engagement and fosters a sense of belonging within your followers. And sometimes your merch can also have like fun sayings, something you're fond of saying on your channel, something you're known for, or like an inside joke that your fans will get. And it becomes like a secret handshake between you and your subscribers. Having a merch store as a new content creator opens up new revenue stream for you. You don't just have to depend on ad revenue alone. You can just earn directly from your loyal fans who want to truly support you and, patronize your brand. Having another stream of income, I don't know about you, but counts me in. Another importance of owning a merch store is the creative expression, the creative freedom it gives you. It's like a blank canvas for you to design whatever you want. You can design products that reflect your unique style, or you can even collaborate with other artists to create something truly, truly special. With merch products, the possibilities are endless. Next is promotional tools. Now, think of your merch as a walking billboard. Like anytime somebody wears your merchandise, they're promoting you. They're promoting your product or your brand to the rest of the world. It's free advertising that helps you reach a wider audience and attract a wider fan base. Now, how do we go about building a merch store? I'm going to call this the roadmap to launching a merch store as a new content creator. And the first thing on this roadmap is understanding your brand. Your merch isn't just a product, it's an extension of your channel, it's an extension of your brand. It's a way for your fans to represent you and feel like they're a part of something special. So before you even think of launching your merch, you should think of understanding your brand identity, know what your brand stands for or your brand represents. What sets you apart from other creators? What values does your brand stand for? Your merch should be reflecting your personality and resonating with your audience. So think about it. What makes you unique? What makes your audience feel connected to you? Think about it and translate that into your merch designs. This creates a cohesive brand experience that resonates with your viewers. I'm not saying you should go and slap your name on a t-shirt. That will not cut it. No. Secondly, designing your merch. Now, once you have nailed down your brand identity, you know what you're going for. The next thing is to start making your designs. Whether it's apparels, accessories, or any other merchandise products, be sure to make your designs eye-catching, cohesive, and align with your entire brand aesthetics, like I said earlier. And remember, guys, quality is key. Now, there are various design platforms that can help you design your products for free, like Canva. You can design really cool stuff on Canva to use for your merch designs. The third thing you need to do is to choose the right platforms. Now, this is talking about where to sell your merch products. While there are really good websites out there like Printify, like Redbubble, it's important to choose a platform that aligns with your brand and offers the features that you need. And speaking of branding and choosing the right platforms, so as a creator, once you set up your merch store on any of these print-on-demand websites, you automatically end up with a long and random link, something like this, that the website automatically gives you. And I see creators making the mistake of sharing this as their links or the links to their merch store. But this is where you need .store domains. It is a branding tool that will turn your link from something like this to this. There is one thing the top creators who have their merch on .store know. They know that having a clear and intuitive website address like this makes it easier for fans to find them and share the word. Creators like Mr. Beast with his merch store at www.mrbeast.store, or Zach King, or Dude Perfect, all using the .store domain. A merch website that ends with .store right away tells your fans that they have stumbled upon your merch store. All you need to do is pick a name that actually means something to you or to your brand, and a .store domain right there in the link. For instance, www.rjsspaceofficial. Easy for fans to remember, easy for fans to share. And a merch website on a .store domain typically gets 87% more visitors to your merch store. More visitors, more popularity, more sales. There's a link in the description box and a discount code that will get you a .store domain for just 99 cents for the first year. Do not miss this. Go get your .store domain so that once you're promoting your merch store on your channel or your videos, it'll be like www.rjspace.store. It rolls off the tongue, so easy to say. www.rjspace.store. Okay, sorry. So the third thing on our roadmap to launching your merch store as a new content creator is to announce your merch. Now that you have your store up and good to go, it's time to finally tell your audience about it. You can be creative with the announcement. You can post sneak peeks online. You can do a dedicated video for it. You can even host a giveaway to the boss. You can wear your designs. Just get creative with the announcements. So the key is to make it, exciting. And thankfully, as a content creator, you already have where you can start from. You already have an audience. So start from your channel. Start from what you have. Finally, guys, engage your audience. Creating a merch is just the beginning. You have to keep up the momentum by engaging your audience, involve them in the creative process, ask for their feedbacks, and show appreciation, because at the end of the day, they're the reason why your merch even exists in the first place. And do not abandon your store. In the next video, I'm going to be taking you through how I set up my own merch store using the .store domain name. I'm going to take you through from the beginning, from getting the name to my first merch design, everything, so you don't want to miss that video. So subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed so you don't miss this video and so many more. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is everything you need to know before you launch your merch store as a new content creator. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comment section. I always reply my comments. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.